Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we'll understand system fields and standard fields in Office 24 by 7. Knowing what these field types are and the difference between them helps administrators maintain data integrity while still customizing the CRM to suit their business needs. Let's get started. Let's begin with system fields. System fields are automatically generated and maintained by the platform. They capture essential information about a record's lifecycle, such as who created the record and when, as well as who last modified it and at what time. These fields are not editable by users because they are generated by the system based on actions performed on a record. System fields are available across all standard and dynamic objects and play a key role in tracking record ownership, accountability, and audit history. Now let's look at standard fields. Standard objects in Office 24 by 7 are associated with core communication and operational functions, such as calls, emails, messages, IVR, and similar activities. Standard fields represent the core operational details of these records, such as call data or message delivery information, which the system automatically derives from the respective service providers. Because this data is sourced directly from the provider, standard fields are fixed and cannot be edited by users. You might wonder why system fields and standard fields are not editable. Keeping these fields non-editable is intentional, as it ensures that data remains reliable, consistent, and tamper-proof across the CRM. It helps maintain audit accuracy and enables trustworthy reporting and analytics across the platform. Now let's see how this works in practice. To demonstrate this, I'll go to the Module section under Site Settings and select a module. From here, I'll create a new object by clicking Add Object in the Actions menu. I'll name this object Hospitals and add the description as Details of all hospitals under the management. Immediately after creating the object, you'll notice that the number of fields is shown as 0. Let me now add fields to this object by clicking the Add Fields button under Actions. As you may already know, these are custom fields. We've explained all available field types in detail in our earlier videos, and I'll share a link to that playlist above and in the description. You can add any new field, configure its name, description, and other properties, and then save it. Once the new field is saved, the system automatically creates 4 system fields: created by, modified by, created date and time, and modified date and time. These fields are non-editable and ensure accurate tracking of who created or updated a record and when those actions occurred. You can see this information against every record created within the object. Now let me open the Leads object under the Sales module to show how these fields appear in an existing object. For every lead record, you'll see the same 4 system fields: created by, modified by, created date and time, and modified date and time. Created by and created date and time tell you who created the record and when, while modified by and modified date and time show who last updated the record and at what time. These details help track record-level changes and accountability. These system fields are present across all objects whenever you configure a customizable object in Office 24 by 7. If you prefer not to display this information in the object view, you can open the column settings and hide these fields by unchecking them. These fields can also be used effectively in reports. For example, I'll go to the Reports panel and create a new table report. I'll select the Leads object and then add the Created by and Lead status fields. This allows me to see how many leads were created by each individual user and their current statuses. Similarly, you can use the Modified by field to track how many records were modified by each user. You can also include created date and time or modified date and time, depending on your reporting requirements. In this way, system fields remain non-editable while ensuring accurate tracking and meaningful analysis. Apart from system fields, Office 24 by 7 also includes standard fields that are specific to standard objects such as cloud telephony, IVR, click-to-call, WhatsApp, email, and other communication modules. These fields are predefined and automatically capture essential operational data. For instance, when I open the cloud telephony object, you'll see fields such as caller number, call type, call status, the name of the user who attended the call, user status, call duration, call recording, dial status, caller status, the service number to which the call was triggered, dialing duration, hang-up source, and so on. In addition to the fields shown on the screen, there are other standard fields that you can view through the column settings. All of these fields are non-editable and are automatically captured by Office 24 by 7 to provide complete record-level insights. These are standard fields associated with standard objects. You'll find similar standard fields in other objects as well, such as IVR and click-to-call. In the IVR object, you'll notice additional fields like DTMF Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, and Level 4. These fields capture the options selected by the caller through the dial pad during an IVR flow. When it comes to WhatsApp, which is also a standard object, the content of the delivered message is captured as a standard field. Other standard fields include the sender number, recipient number, sent time, sent, delivered, and read statuses, template name, DLR status, delivery time, error description, etc. Together, these fields automatically capture complete WhatsApp communication details, enabling teams to track message delivery and engagement accurately. In addition to system and standard fields, Office 24 by 7 allows you to add custom fields to standard objects whenever you need additional business-specific information. For example, when I open the field settings for the cloud telephony object, under the communication module, you'll see custom fields such as follow-up required, caller email ID, caller name, call remarks, call dispositions, services looking for, ticket number, and follow-up date. These custom fields enhance data visibility and business context without altering system-generated information. Custom fields can be added to all standard objects, including cloud telephony, WhatsApp, click-to-call, IVR, and more. This allows you to view system-generated data through system and standard fields, while capturing business-specific information through custom fields, all within the same record. Having everything in one place enables better analysis, reporting, and decision-making. That's how system fields, standard fields, and custom fields work together in Office 24 by 7 to deliver structured, reliable, and highly customizable data management. Thank you for watching.